Hi everyone, it's Elizabeth here from Elite Real Estate. And as I'm sure a lot of you know, we're coming up to that time of the year again. It certainly rolls around quick, where I'm sure a lot of you are making appointment times to see your accountants, being the end of the financial year. So I thought I'd take that initiative and take the time to bring in Adam from Opteon. And I thought he could give us some hot tips over what some ideal things we can do this time to getting a report for your property. So welcome, Adam.
Thanks, Elizabeth. Thanks for having me today.
That's all right. And I believe you've been with Opteon now for 5 years. Is that right?
That's right, yes.
Excellent. So, yeah, we're speaking today with our property investors and landlords. And yeah, did you have any, I guess, coming from your perspective and your I guess, knowledge, where do you see benefit in arranging that tax depreciation report this time of the year?
Yeah, so I guess my probably top 4 tips for the benefits of getting a tax depreciation schedule completed. The schedule actually goes for 40 years, so there are no updates required throughout those years, and it's only a once-off fee. So once you have a schedule, you'll never have to have another one again.
That's awesome. So does that include if the landlords decide to get a significant amount of renovations done on a property?
Yeah, 100%. So if it is an older house, a lot of people, think that they can't get a tax depreciation schedule completed because it is an older house. But all renovations qualify for depreciation.
That's awesome. And that's good to know, because a lot of the properties, as you're probably aware of here in Rockhampton, are those typical Queenslander or older style homes.
Yeah. That have had their renovations done, yeah.
Yeah, or need to, and maybe landlords don't realise that, yeah, it's still an important factor to get done.
100%, yeah.
Yeah.
So the second tip is the fee to conduct the tax depreciation schedule is 100% tax deductible.
Excellent.
And it is, yeah, so it's really important that an inspection actually takes place. So to ensure that the client gets every possible deduction, there are some online calculators, but they can't do, what a personal inspection can.
Yeah, and I know that from experience myself, looking at pictures online and visually seeing the property, you just can't even compare the differences. So
yeah. And I guess my last tip is, so obviously we've got a few high rises in Rockhampton and even on the Capricorn coast.
Yeah.
So people that own an apartment in those complexes are actually entitled to their portion of the common property. So that can include the shared hallways, driveways, even down to the dumbbells in the gyms or the welcome mat in the foyer.
Well, that's good to know, because I'm sure a lot of that would be very helpful, especially with the cost of body corporate fees, I guess.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, excellent. So, Adam, also, I know, we've recently included and added commercial management into our services as Elite. I'm not sure if a lot of your clients know that, but Elite Real Estate now is also providing commercial management as well as residential. Does that mean that Opteon also provides a service on a commercial scale as well as residential?
It does, yeah. So we can complete a schedule on a residential asset, a commercial asset, or an agribusiness asset as well.
That's excellent. And you've got the local staff here in Rockhampton as well to do so.
We do, yeah. So, and if any of your other clients, have a property elsewhere, we're Australia-wide, so we can help in the other location as well. So
that's awesome. So if my clients have properties, for example, here in Rockhampton and elsewhere in Australia, we can just use the one company to allocate all the services for all the properties. Yeah. That's excellent.
Yeah,
and good news to everyone is prior to our call, Adam mentioned that Opteon are willing to offer Elite 10% discount. Is that correct for an Elite property?
Yeah, that's correct. So any client of Elite Real Estate can receive 10% off an eligible schedule.
That's excellent. It's awesome to hear. So thank you, Adam.
No
So
worries.
yeah, if any of you as clients, I guess, are wanting or interested in a tax depreciation schedule, don't hesitate to either, I guess, let Adam from Opteon know, or even maybe just contact us at Elite, because we can help arrange access to your tenants as well through entry, and we can get that discount applied for you, obviously coming through Elite.
Yeah, so it's easy to get a quote. So you can just log on to our website,
Yeah.
www.optionsolutions.com, and just request a quote through that way. And you can also use the Elite discount code through there as well.
Excellent. Well, thanks, Adam. It's really great to talk to you today. And
No worries.
also, if any landlords have any questions, I guess just feel free to shoot back a message to us, and I'm sure Adam will be more than happy to answer those questions.
Yeah. Thanks, Elizabeth.
Thanks, Adam.